How to fix your community standards in your Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your community standards in your Facebook Messenger. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your phone settings, and from here you have to go in the general. Now you have to click on the iPhone storage. So now once you're in the iPhone storage, you just have to scroll down and you have to find out the option of the messenger, and in the Android you have to go in your app management settings. Now you just have to go in your Meta platforms and you have to go in its shared size file, and from here you just have to clear the cache of your Facebook Messenger. And after that you just have to go back and go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and you have to search for your messenger application. Now you just have to click on it and update your messenger, and after updating your messenger you just have to go back and you have to open up your messenger, and from here you have to check out the community standards of your messenger. And if it is still not fixed, you just have to follow this step. What you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top left corner, and from here you have to go in these settings. Now you just have to scroll down and here is the option of the report a problem. Click on it, go in the report anyway. Now you have to include it, and here you have to briefly explain that what happened, and here you have to type that you want to fix your community standard of your Facebook Messenger, and you have to add your username and also add your email address. And you can also add the media, like you can add the screenshot of your Facebook Messenger community standards, and you just have to send your report. And after sending your report you have to wait for the messenger to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can fix your community standards of your Facebook Messenger. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.